Hi guys, today I am here with Ziva and we are going to keep the explanation pretty short because she wants to get out to this. This is a homemade food puzzle and it's made of 1/2 inch PVC with some 90-degree bends and some T-pieces. I basically make a frame and then I've got these pieces of PVC pipe that I put in some fleece and then pop in some pieces of kibble, push in more fleece, pop in more kibble. So the idea of this is that she has to pull these out to get the food. And this is going to help build a dog's confidence and optimism because this is going to move about a bit. And there may be strange sounds and she may, if she pulls really hard on some of these, they may fall out. And they'll be touching her as she tries to get in through them. So it's just going to build that sort of confidence and optimism for when strange things happen. Excuse me, you get back up here. Now she's played this a couple of times and she really enjoys this game. It also builds tolerance of frustration because she has to work to get the food and she's a really foodie dog. So sometimes she can tend to be a little bit frustrated because she wants it all now. I think you've already seen that. And it also builds grit and resilience because they have to be determined to keep going to get all of the food. So with that all said, it's a great game for building confidence and optimism, having a little bit of fun and making dinner time a little bit more interesting for your dog. And again, a little bit of canine enrichment in these days when we're not necessarily able to get out as much as we were. So I'm going to release Ziva off and see what happens. Ready? Okay, see. Ziva is 10 years old and I truly think that playing a lot of these games keeps her being such a puppy and being so mentally cognitive and willing to interact and try new things. And if you just saw that. The piece that fell out, she put her paw on it and then pulled out the fleece. So that's all of them finished. So, I know, was that fun? Was that fun, little one? So you can see she's still having fun investigating around, snuffling in the fleece to see if there's any more pieces. So, I hope that's given you some ideas of how you can make dinner time a little bit more interesting for your dog, and just how you can combine those things with building confidence, optimism, resilience and tolerance of frustration all at the same time. So from Ziva and me, bye, and we'll see you all again real soon.